With a footprint of 33 by 46 feet, this architectural concept showcases a modern minimalist facade defined by an elegant pitched roofline. The exterior's striking beauty is crafted through a harmonious blend of warm, light vertical timber cladding and smooth, lightly textured white walls. Dark metal accents framing the expansive windows and garage provide a crisp contrast, grounding the airy materials to create a highly contemporary yet deeply inviting aesthetic. Stepping indoors, the layout is meticulously organized to maximize both daily utility and comfortable living. The interior floor plan masterfully balances open, shared gathering spaces with highly specialized functional zones. An airy, open-concept living and kitchen area serves as the social heart of the home, smoothly connecting to incredibly practical utility spaces like a dedicated laundry room and an expansive walk-in pantry. Meanwhile, the private quarters allocate generous room to tranquil bedrooms, spa, inspired bathrooms, and a dedicated music area, ensuring a seamless flow between active daily routines and restful seclusion. House 2. Encompassing a 36 by 49 foot footprint, this architectural concept boasts a striking facade defined by its dynamic pitched roofs, beautifully steering clear of conventional cubic massing. The exterior's majestic beauty is crafted from a bold contrast between heavy, dark gray stone pillars and warm vertical timber siding. These rich textures are perfectly balanced by clean, white stucco accents, resulting in a highly contemporary yet deeply grounded aesthetic. Transitioning seamlessly indoors, this robust and cohesive material palette continues to shape the home's warm, sophisticated atmosphere. The living spaces are enveloped in tactile luxury, anchored by rich wood paneling, exposed structural ceiling beams, and warm walnut cabinetry. Perfectly echoing the facade's moody tones, the same heavily textured dark stone is brought inside to create dramatic fireplace surrounds and striking bathroom features, merging modern design with earthy elegance.